YouTube channel. So today we're cooking chili. It's been a little cold out here in Florida, y'all. It's been like sometimes it'll be like 50 to 60 degrees. Just the other day was 40 some degrees in the morning time. Then eventually it'll warm up a little bit, but it's still cold. So I was like, why not make a good bowl of chili, and then we're gonna have grilled cheese. So y'all stay tuned for the video. Okay, you guys, so right here I just got my onions in the pan and my peppers in the pan, letting them saute. I'm so mad that I don't have no fresh garlic, but I will be seasoning my stuff with complete season, garlic powder, minced onion, black pepper, layers, and Worcestershire sauce. So yeah, you guys, and I already had seasoned my meat because I had used it to cook some hamburger meat. So, but I'm gonna kind of like season it a little bit more. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the meat. Which add? I love Worcestershire sauce. Okay, you guys, now that I done drained my stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my chili packet. Yeah, now I'll just dash mine with a little bit of water afterwards. Well, I'm gonna put my diced tomatoes. 2 cans of tomatoes I use. Tomato sauce. Pinto beans. Alright, you guys, dinner is served. Chili and grilled cheese.